Yuto coming in hot with all those switch tricks. Wow! Nollie cab to switchback lift.
To start your run?
All the way from Japan to switchback tail to hubba here in Desert West. Betty never thought that would happen.
Wow! Original 180 cricket grind?
Yeah.
Damn, on skateboards has got a rider on their hands, huh?
Look at Bill Lee smiling up here. He knows what he did.
Backside 3? The hard way, right?
Yeah.
Jack Olsen. Jack Olsen. Wow! 30 seconds left. And switch 180 crooked grind.
I think that might have been switch tail, but look just as nice.
Yeah. Damn. 20 seconds left, Hugo.
As long as you're rolling away.
That is insane. How you guys have to do this? Yeah,
That's the hard way.
10 seconds, Hugo.